It's Xander from the Craft Crew. Today we have a little unboxing to do, I guess. Here we go. So this just got in the mail, the ASUS. Let's turn it around. VP28U. It was a $400 gaming monitor. I got the upgraded version because so I can twist it and turn it any way I want. But yeah, let's just get into it. Let's see this. Oh, I should probably have a knife. Oh, let me go get a knife. I have my knife. So, always make sure you cut away from yourself. There we go. Okay, boys. Whew. Ooh. Excuse me. So, this is gonna be, oh, it comes with its own HDMI cord. That's awesome. I didn't have one. Don't have to buy one anymore. Cool, cool. It comes with 2 HDMI cords. Look at that. And here, this is the power cable, I'm gonna guess. Yeah, so I can have my Nintendo Switch and Xbox plugged in at the same time. I'd love to see it. This is probably the base. Yeah, this is the base right here. That's a heavy, that's 20 pounds at least right there. That's a heavy base. Ooh. That's the top piece of cardboard. Ooh. Whew. Do you see that? You see? Okay, my bad. Right here. So the N word, my bad. What is this? What is this? Okay. I'm sorry. I'm gonna have to put the camera down. Is that good? Okay. So we have it right here. I'm taking it out of the box. I can. Whew. This is quite the unboxing experience. Oh! Whew! You see that? Do you see that? Okay, so it's a 27-inch monitor. Ooh. Nice. It's already, it came vertical in the box. That's pretty cool. Oh, that is a big boy. Holy crap. Oh my goodness. Do you see this thing? Oh! God damn. It's a Ultra 4K. I didn't get the, the 144 hertz. I take 4K over 144 hertz every day, guys. You know me. I'm a 4K kind of guy. Ooh. Look at that. Okay. I'm gonna be connecting this right now. I hope I don't need screws or anything. Yeah. I'll put you down for a second. Whew. That is rugged. No screws in there, I don't think. Oh, that is okay. Okay, so this is what the computer, oh. That looks nice. That looks nice, but yeah, it's gonna be attaching to this, I'm pretty sure. So, I'm gonna put it on the floor. You can, yeah. We can set you up. Okay. Ugh. So, ooh. Easy does it. Easy does it, guys. I think it's on. Yeah, it's on, it's on. Okay. And I think I have to... Does this come up? How does this work? So I think... What do I do with this? Oh, I have to... I see, I latch it in place. So it doesn't come back off. Does that latch, do you guys think? God, this thing is sexy. And they can move it up and, oh my gosh. It is absolutely one of the nicest monitors. Look at that. Okay, welcome back. Here I am. About a week later, And here's my monitor. Sitting up, looking pretty good, you know. Got all the cords, got everything done. And I'm gonna say I have enjoyed my experience with this thing quite a lot. It is very nice. The colors are so nice. There's so many modes you can set it in. It's just one of the nicest monitors I've had. So yeah, that was my unboxing, and this is my review, I guess. See you craft cores next time. Yeah.